we have started unit number 11, the environment. What is an environment? Environment is our surroundings and it is made up of man-made things as well as natural things. In our previous class, we read page number 77 and 78. On that page, we discussed the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. And then we discussed page number 79 and page number 80, in which we discussed that why trees are important for environment, for humans, animals and birds, and what are the other uses of trees. Then we studied what is deforestation and ways to reduce deforestation, and then concept check of page number 81. In our last class, we have started exercises and done question number 1, question number 2, 3 and 4 of page number 82. Then we did activities of page number 83. Today we are going to do fun page on page number 84. Question number 1. Complete the crossword with words from the chapter about water. So this is the word puzzle and here are the hints. So first one is liquid needed for life. So what is the liquid we need for our life? Obviously it's water, and this is number 1. So we have to write it here in front of 1 like this. So second one is a large store of water on a river. So what's the name of the storage of water on the river? It's reservoir. So R is written here in front of number 2 and V is also written here. We have to fill these boxes which are empty. Reservoir. Third one is a large body of water. What is the large body of water which has A in the second box? It is lake, L-A-K-E. So we will write here lake. Fourth one is a small body of rainwater. When the rainwater gathers on the land in a small area, we called it puddle. P-U-D-D-L-E, puddle. Fifth one is a large sea. Large sea is called, which starts with O, ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Sixth one is a small river. So what is a small river called? A small river is called stream. S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Seventh one is a large body of salty water smaller than an ocean. So it's so obvious that sea is smaller than an ocean and it has salty water. So we will write here sea. S-E-A-C. Eighth one is a container of area where water is stored. So that container of water is called tank. T-A-N-K, tank. Last one is a deep hole in the ground from which we get water. It is called well. W-E-L-L, well. Now our puzzle has completed with the help of these hints. Now second one is a water puzzle and you have to do it in your home. There are 3 jars which can hold exactly 3 liters, 5 liters and 8 liters of water. You have to take 3 jars in which you will pour 3 liters, 5 liters and 8 liters. The first 2 jars are empty, the third contains 8 liters of water. By pouring water from one jar to another, make at least one of them contain exactly 4 liters of water. Can you do it? How will you find out without experimenting? Instead of jars and water, what can you use? We can use jug instead of jars and water. We can use buckets. We can use any other container. So try it at your home and enjoy. Thank you.